Ukudlanga kobugebengu eCofimvaba, ukugqoza kokuhlinzekwa kwezidingonqangi kanye nokunganakekelwa kwamakhosi. Ngezinye zezikhalo abaholi bendabuko ngaphansi kobukhosi babaThembu baseNtshonalanga abazibikele umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa.
Abantu bakuthi bahamba kwezindlela abahamba ngenyawo. Kuvela i-criminality phaa yabantu abacasha kwezindlela kuhanjwa kwenzi nemivuzo yenkosi. Umongameli sincede imivuzo yenkosi. Siyayinqwenela into yokuba noko eqwise iliso ngoba inemizi zinabantwana.
uRamaphosa uthe ikhona imali ebekwe eceleni ezingeni likahulumeni wazwelonke ukunakekela abaholi bendabuko.
At the national level, the Minister of Finance has put aside money to ensure that the conditions of our traditional leaders and our kings and queens are properly looked after. So their decision, it has been taken.
uRamaphosa uthembise ukusukumela udaba lokuba kuhlonzwe ngokusemthethweni ingonyama yabaThembu baseNtshonalanga.
Afuna ukuthi kurecognize ukumkani wabaThembu apha basekhona. And sivile nayo leyo. And sizosebenza sizawubuya futhi sizawutsho ukuthi sizayisebenza kanjani na.
Ingonyama yabaThembu baseNtshonalanga ixoshise umengameli we-ANC ngezinkomo ezintathu.